Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Park the Toyota Sienna on level ground, set the parking brake, chock the wheels, and lift the vehicle with jack stands rated for your vehicle. Never rely on a jack alone. Disconnect the negative battery terminal before touching any sensors or wiring to avoid shorts or airbag faults. Allow the exhaust to cool for at least 30 minutes before beginning work to prevent burns and to keep bolts and flanges from warping under heat. Spray penetrating oil on the 14 mm flange bolts and the 12 mm oxygen sensor threads, and wait about 15 minutes so the oil penetrates rusted threads. Unplug oxygen sensors using a 12 mm oxygen sensor socket and label each connector to guarantee correct reconnection later. Support the exhaust with a second jack, remove the two 14 mm flange bolts, and lower the catalytic converter assembly. Expect the job to take roughly 5 hours for a die year with basic tools. Install a new exhaust gasket on the flange. Position the replacement catalytic converter, hand thread the flange bolts to prevent cross-threading, and then torque the bolts to 40 ft-lb using an alternating pattern for an even seal. Reconnect the oxygen sensors into their original positions, plug the negative battery terminal back in, and start the engine to check immediately for exhaust leaks and any check engine lights. Inspect for leaks for about 5 minutes at idle, then perform a 10-minute test drive to confirm there are no rattles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.